Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache Tomcat 10.1.5 from its source code in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Ant 1.10 and JDK 11. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Apache Tomcat 1.10.5 source code as a zip file from Apache Tomcat website. So we are going to extract this source code file and going to build Apache Tomcat 10.1.5. So you may need internet connection in order to download some jar files. Make sure that you have internet connection. Okay, so I extracted the content. This is the directory structure of extracted source code zip file. So it will contain one build.xml. So build.xml will contains lot of ant tasks or targets. So we are going to build Apache Tomcat 10.1 using this build.xml. So make sure that you have installed Ant 1.10 and JDK 11. See, this is my Ant installation. So I already installed in D colon, and also I have added the bin directory to the Windows path variable so that Ant and Java commands will be available in the Windows command line. See here. Path variable I already added the and bin directory and Java bin directory. Okay, so that the Java commands and command will be available in the Windows command line. So make sure that your source code zip file contains build.xml. So build.xml contains the steps to build the Apache Tomcat 10.1.5. Okay, so let me open the command line and go to the Apache Tomcat 1.5 directory. Okay, just type the command and that's it. Because it contains build.xml by default, just type the command and that's it. So you can see that source code files are getting built. So you may need internet connection in order to download some jar files or artifacts. Yes, Apache Tomcat 1.5 is successfully built. So this is the build logs. So you can see that all the lib directory, web apps, bin directory and conf directory are created. See, this example source files are copied to the web apps directory successfully. Okay, you can see one output directory is got created. Go to the directory build. So you can see the build directory is got created. So it contains entire Apache Tomcat 1.5, 10.1.5 distro. So bin directory contains executable, conf directory contains configuration files, lib directory will contain all the Tomcat jar files. So web apps will contain all the example web application source files. So we have successfully built Apache Tomcat 10.1.5 in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Ant 1.10 and JDK 11.